Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! You know.
Oh man, goddamn, bros. Oh man, goddamn. Bruh, this is crazy, bruh. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bruh. This is crazy. Son, the police need to be held accountable. Did y'all see that? Bruh, let me run the story back for you, bro. The police is busting at his own whip that a handcuffed male is in, bruh. A black male, too. Yeah, don't forget that part. A handcuffed black male, bro. Behind his back. Hands behind his back, dog. The police hit an Acorn. An Acorn fall on the car and assumes it's the handcuffed man. Busting at him, bro. And what does he do? Let me show you again.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! You know. I'm hit! What? I'm in the car! I was shot through the car! Oh! I'm good. I feel weird, but I'm good. I'm good.
Bruh, I ain't even gonna lie. This a nasty situation, bro. I'm gonna take you through more of this body cam footage because it's ridiculous, bro. The police thought he was like on a mission in like Call of Duty Black Ops, Call of Duty Warzone, bro. He was rolling over the floor, emptying the clip. Clip fell out the gun, hit the next one in, cocked back, got a scope and everything, red dot on the gun, bro, on the floor. Boom, 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 bro. All that, my nigga.
I'm pulling out your full screen.
Okay. Do you know your tag number off the top of your head? Okay, it's okay. What? Where, right there? Jesse, are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back! Where is he?
In the car! In the car!
43, give me traffic. Shots fired. I got a deputy down.
No! Please, no! Please.
Off of McLaren. We're off of McLaren. Shots fired. I got a deputy down. Jesse, how are you? Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get back!
Anybody to do anything, please! No!
I might have hit my vest.
Okay.
No!
Get back! I'm not gonna tell you go! Get back! Get her and get her back now!
No!
Nobody busting at you, bro. He literally having a shootout by himself. Bro, The nigga having a shootout by himself, my nigga. Like, bro, 15 shots flew, gang. He could have killed the nigga, the innocent person in that police car. To make matters worse, bro, they had searched him, bro. They pat dude down. They know he didn't have no weapon. Bro, they know he didn't have no gun, no knife, no nothing. They patted him down before they threw him in the car. Mind you, this for a DV situations, bro. That's why I always tell y'all, bro, if you having a situation with your spouse, your loved one, bro, and they get past that situation, bro, just leave. Either you leave, make them, if you the male in the situation, bro, just leave, dog. Just get up out of there before the police get called by somebody and the police show up on hots. Because when they show up on hots, this is what happened, bro. The police don't show up to nobody's crib without, in their mind, they coming to lock somebody up or kill somebody, bro. Let's keep it a band, bro. The police don't have no disregard. Long as they get home safe, long as they get home to their family safe, they don't care about your family. When you called them and involved them in your situations at your crib, you now just gave them the right to come in there and exterminate and shit. Like, you gave them the right to come in there with their pistols out, exterminating niggas, bro. That's what you do when you call the police and you black, bro. That's what you do. When you call the police and you live in a black household, they come in there to kill or lock everybody up. That's just it, bro. But let me show y'all proof that they knew this nigga wasn't armed, bro. They knew he ain't had no gun. This was just a free kill to these niggas, bro. Luckily, he survived. Luckily, I don't think he got hit. But luckily, he survived, bro. They thought this was a free kill, bro.
We're in a relationship. Arguing, yeah.
Pat him down, please.
What's that?
Pat him down.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Because you're getting patted down.
Why?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons
Okay.
on me. What's out like that? This is cute. Don't got no weapons on me.
Hands on your pockets. Okay. So, what's your side? No.
I ain't got no side. I ain't got... Whatever she said is what it is. And so whatever she want to do, let's do it. And see how far she want to take it.
Like, come on, bro. Dude handcuffed. Already searched. You already patted him down. Made sure he ain't had no weapons. He handcuffed in the police car. Locked inside the police car, bro. The Acorn that the police said he heard, that he thought, that he mistook as a gunshot, bro. We couldn't hear it. I didn't hear it on the badge cam. All I saw was him walk by the window and immediately, 52, 52. Start rolling around, blah, 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 like wilding, bro. You need your badge took. You need a jail cell, bro. I'm tired of these police being able to get away with stuff. If that was a regular, typical human, bro, he'd have been locked up, bro. He fired multiple shots at an unarmed pedestrian, an unarmed civilian, bro. Lock him up. Lock these thugs up. He's a thug. Lock him up. That's how I feel about it, man. Jimmy Gang, I'm gone, bro. This is crazy, bro. The reason why I feel so passionate about these situations, that could be me. Bro, that's another black brother, but that could be me, bro. I be chilling. I be doing my thing. You think I don't go outside and move around? You think I don't got females that we about to get into drama? I ain't putting my hands on them, but do they yell at me? Do they want to yell sometimes in the crib? What is this in your phone? Why you wasn't, like, bro, it happens. Females be yelling. But just because you hear somebody yelling, don't mean you come with your guns out, bro. Don't mean nobody got to get popped, bro. That's not always the situation. And if you got you a drama-filled female that always got you getting the police called on you, and you know you a good nigga, you know you're not putting your hands on her, but the police always around because she too dramatic, get rid of her, bro. Get rid of her. All she gonna do is be dramatic when you getting popped. When the police is popping you, how that girl was screaming on him, oh, why y'all doing this to him? You see all that she doing? That's all she gonna do when you getting popped, when you the one on the floor popped by the police because she want to call them on you for nothing. Now, if you is putting your hands on females, that's another story, and we ain't jacking that. Jimmy Gang, I'm going, man. Keep one of their heads, stay dangerous, my boys.